The Rainmaker. Known for his signature gap-toothed smile and ever-contagious vibrant spirit, was embodiment of talent. Without theatrics and incomprehensible chants, in 1987, he declared his reign in the music industry. Majek Fashek, born Majek Fashek in 1963 to an Edo mother and an Oshun father, lived most of his childhood in Benin City, where he sharpened his music skills playing the guitar and trumpet in the church choir.
No more sorrow, no more sorrow, no more weeping, no more crying. Yeah.
These instruments would later influence his style of music with mentors like Bob Marley, Jimi Hendrix, and Fela Kuti. You could have guessed as much. Though largely regarded as a reggae artist, he sometimes classified his music as Kpangolo, which is a fusion of other genres such as juju and reggae. But most of all, he seemed to always lean towards his guitar, which he played with amazing skill. Fact was that Majek once went by the stage name Rajesh Khanal when he belonged to a music group called Jastrix. In 1987, Majek released his first solo album titled Prisoner of Conscience, which had Send Down the Rain, one of his most popular tracks till date. The body of work catapulted him into the international music sphere, where most acclaimed he sounded just as good as his mentor. With his first album, Majek bagged 6 P-Man Awards in 1 year, from Artist of the Year to Album of the Year to Song of the Year. Majek later went international and worked with artists like Tracy Chapman and Jimmy Cliff. Along the line, Majek Fashek had a problem with drug addiction, which affected his career greatly. After getting out of rehab, the Rainmaker showed signs, making the people believe the rain might just fall again. But it was never to be.
So rehab, I have spiritual problem because I read the book I'm not supposed to read.
Wow.
The only Rainmaker we acknowledge died in his sleep on the 1st of June 2020 after a battle with esophageal cancer. The hitmaker had 8 studio albums to his credit. Majek the Legend.